Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley here. You see all my little logs stacked on top up there and all. Okay. Starkey's Farmstead, my daughter and my son-in-law came over yesterday and brought me right here 250 line mange mushrooms. All right. They also brought me 100 shiitake right here and 100 oyster mushrooms. So I have got 250, 350, I've got 450 holes to drill in these logs. So the first thing you do is cut them to section about a foot, 12, 13 inches long. Then you start drilling holes. Now, you got 450 holes to drill. You better go back and check out my little drill bit gauge I made right there to control the depth of the holes. Anyway, I'm fixing to go to work. Like and subscribe.